Welcome back. Another molestation incident has rattled the same school from Mormugao, which was in the line of fire following rape of minor schoolgirl a month ago. A girl was molested while returning from school on the road. Shockingly, a molestation case was also registered in Ponda. In both the cases, the girls were from secondary section of the school.
An unknown man was booked for outraging modesty of a schoolgirl in Mormugao. The victim girl was walking on the footpath with her mother when the culprit caught hold of hand of this minor. Crowd gathered for rescue when the mother and the child called for help. Girl is studying in the secondary section in the same school at Mormugao, wherein a minor girl was raped a month ago. Police have arrested one Vijay Kumar Gowda, native of Orissa, working at IOC. A molestation case was also registered at Ponda police station on Friday. Complaint stated that the peon from a particular school in Mangeshi caught hold of the hand of this girl in school somewhere in December. Police are searching the peon of the school who is absconding since Thursday. Reporters Vivek Prabhu and Surendra Matkekar for Prudent.
With glittering masquerades around Panaji city and preparations for Carnival, Goans are all gearing up for the 4 days Carnival fiesta. 5 days food festival commenced in Caranzalem from Friday. Carnival parade in Panaji will kickstart on Saturday, followed by other major cities in the coming days. It's Viva Carnival in Goa. Have a look.
The king of the carnival who will rule your hearts, rule parties over the next 4 days. There's the one and only Tome, who is the king. There you can see him. Have a round of cheer for King Momo.
All of the dance and everyone there, I declare this festival open. And the fun season also open.
Congress MLA Alex Reginaldo has accused Chief Minister of being a lawbreaker. Reginaldo had sought clarification from the CM as to why he chose selective persons for selective jobs. He was speaking with regard to selection of Levinson Martins as Member Secretary for Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority.
Manoj Parrikar is set to break another law also. In fact, you have to learn from him how to break the law.
Reginaldo questioned Parrikar why Levinson Martins was given additional job of Member Secretary to GCZMA when he already has 2 more portfolios.
He has got Police and Control Board Member Secretary, plus he is the OST, and now CZMA. I don't know why the Chief Minister is having selective persons for selective jobs. And the government of the day should give good governance as promised and should not spoil the parivartan which the government of Goa which the people of Goa have really taken pains.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Smoke detectors from Central Library are missing. 194 smoke detectors worth 7 lakh rupees were stolen by some robbers. This theft occurred in broad daylight. Surprisingly, it took place when staff members were present. The thieves entered as detector maintenance technicians. This is a shocking incident for an ISO-attained art and culture department. The CCTV footage of the library has been handed over to the police for investigation.
On 1st February, one person by the name Rakesh entered the library premises claiming himself to be from an alarm servicing agency. He met maintenance officer of library K. Bosley. He was told to come on a Monday as staff is unavailable on Saturday and Sunday. He was also told that certain permissions have to be sought from higher officials. But the cunning Rakesh had thoroughly studied the fire alarm maintenance room. Instead of instructions to come on a Monday, he returned again on Saturday with his 2 colleagues. He took all the smoke alarm machines on that day and never returned back. When inquired by the housekeeping staff, he bullied them saying they have come for servicing. The unlawful acts by the thieves are recorded in the CCTV placed in the library. They stole 194 smoke detectors worth 7 lakh rupees. The Art and Culture building has 303 smoke detectors in total. Robbers were unable to steal smoke detectors placed on a height. Surprisingly, the theft occurred on 2nd February. The robbery came to the fore after 6 days. Police complaint was filed on 7th February. Art and Culture Department is the only department with ISO certification. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
In a tragic accident on Friday evening, a scooterist was knocked down to death by a speeding bus. The person was dead on the spot. The bus was proceeding towards Ponda from Panaji. The accident occurred at Mangishi Junction. Locals were furious with the negligence of the bus driver.
On Friday evening, the bus Pinky Prajay, bearing registration number W4026, knocked down a scooterist. Sudarshan Tambedkar, aged 25 years, died on the spot. He was a student of Ayurvedic College in Shiroda. The bus was speeding with its passengers towards Ponda from Panaji. The locals from the area got agitated. Police investigation is on. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.